today we're headed to Muang Fuang, where there's like mountains and stuff. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours away. We're leaving Vientiane and we're headed to Muang Fuang today. So we've checked out the hotel. We got a private van and we are on our way to Muang Fuang. It's like an hour north. I'm gonna try some dry palm seeds. You get no sugar, all natural. From the south of Thailand. Wow, it's good. It has that weird aftertaste. It's like garlic or something. It's rubbery, but I like it. Tastes like garlic. Get the aftertaste. All right, we just stopped here, only 30 minutes in our drive at Bluekoff Coffee. This is the outside patio. Let me show you this bamboo hut. I'm not sure what it's for, but maybe it was just built a long time ago and they just kind of left it. Someone used to live here inside. A nice bamboo hut. Washrooms. You have your coffee inside or outside. Just rocks everywhere. Seems to be the theme. Very zen-like coffee place. All right. Our driver stopped. We're here in Muang Fuang, but I don't know where we are. Really, we're just stopped. I think we're gonna eat here. Oh, it looks like we're bringing our luggage, so this is it, I guess.
We rent the whole house.
We rented the whole house. So we arrived in Muang Fuang at Vang Nam Lik Hotel. I guess we're going on a boat ride too, so this should be fun. We're about an hour and a half north, I believe north of Vientiane, and we're just checking in our hotel. I think we're going on a boat ride. I did not prepare myself for a boat ride, but whatever. This is what the front of the hotel looks like. Everything is wood in Laos. See a mountain in the back there. Typically the kitchen's always outside. Just keeps the smell out of your house. Woo, didn't mean to do that. Look how clean everything looks. Just dry, air dry, no dishwasher. All right, we're gonna check in our rooms now. Everybody has their own room. There's 4 bedrooms upstairs.
Yes.
204. Let's go. Wow. I feel like I'm camping. I'm in a cabin. Oh yeah, this is cute. This is very cozy. Of course, in Laos, there's no bug nets. There's no bug nets at all. It's just the bugs can come in. Washroom. Okay, not bad. Part about going to the washroom in Laos is that you can take a dub and shower at the same time. Literally, you just wash yourself. All right, everything. Clean the washroom too. You can shit on the ground if you wanted to. I'm gonna make my loud video here, loud music video. Can you call my name from upstairs and I'll be downstairs? Regular? No, no IPA, no. The lager, yeah. Just get one case, I guess. First stop when we're buying beer. They have these big guys here. This one. We'll just buy one of these. Keo nhai. Bỏ. Vào đây. The tree is part of the infrastructure. Oh, we need ice. Can't have beer without ice. What we got in the grill here. Oh boy, way too early to drink, but if you drink with ice, you'll be good. You can last the whole day. We're just buying everything now. Getting water, got tissue paper. Yeah. Okay, we're just tallying everything up here. Water, ice, beer. 9 cents.
น้ำก้อนนี่จองเลยจองเลยก็เสียซิมแถลงพอดีนะ
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, fine.
5.
Okay.
Perfect.
Kids pay.
No, we pay for the food.
We pay for the beer. 900,000. $63. Okay. Kapjay. Oh, don't forget the driver needs to take a shot. Pour one for the homies. Wow. That's the good stuff. Happy New Year. Okay, come check. That's our driver. Change.
Yeah, I need coming out. Which one's better? Oh, I asked her.
All right, we're on a riverside where you can rent rooms right on the water, and they move, they float, they're technically floating. And we're about to have lunch on this floating boat. It's 450,000 ki per hour. It's about 30 bucks an hour. We split this between, I don't know, 12 people. Yeah, let's go upstairs.
Have a party up there.
Holy, look at those. This is a karaoke boat. We got,
is a nice boat.
we got chicken delivered right to us. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. All right, this is Muang Fuang on top of a boat. We're about to have lunch and karaoke sesh. A lot of people are chilling here. You gonna jump off? Go for a swim? Solar powered, yeah. Got 2 solar panels. It's eco-friendly. Just head back downstairs. Steep steps. Jeez. Is this the washroom here? The whole nap? Oh. Yeah, this must be the washroom, right? All right, here's the motor. 140 plus generator there. Here we go. Plug her in. So that solar panel is just for show. What's going on here?
Jamita magtuwa you ba?
What are we watching here? Yay, Tamokung on a boat. Hi, somebody. Oh, those limes. Oh my God, we got chicken. Chicken over here. Just rotisserie chicken on the boat. She's pouring the special sauce. We call it the funk, the Lao funk. There goes the papaya. Oh, the boat just started. Here we go. We gotta get our papaya salad before we take off. It's the most important thing here in Laos. And remember, guys, she's doing this on a boat attached to our boat. Oh, she's floating away with us. They must be attached somehow. Got an audience here. There's vermicelli noodles as well. Oh, she just dumps it in the river. All right, here we go. Tam 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 tam. Oh, some peanuts in there. Just Thai style, Thai Lao style. Man, look at those flies. Crazy amount of flies. Huh? The food is ready. We bought the rotisserie chicken, tamokung, fish, steamed rice, pork. What an experience this is. There's even a plant on this boat. We've got a garden up here. We've got our own cooler, ice. Beer Lao will be flowing shortly. Wow. And we got a whole film crew. Check out the film crew. As far as it goes, it's fine. I thought Muang Fuang was recognized for its calm, peace, tranquility. This is anything but. We got this loud motor in the back, and we got this speaker system that's like half the size of the boat. This is anything but peaceful and calmness, but this is how Lao people do it. Spicy. Morning glory in the papaya salad. Not spicy actually. More sour. Careful, there's bone in the pork.
I know, I got some. I want to help you.
Roasted chicken on the bone. Pork rind. Deep fried basil in the pork. Oh, this is the pepper lime leaf. Right. We're on this thing for 2 hours. $20 American an hour. Let me try the fish here. I'm not a fishy guy, but I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I'll take a beer. Fish. Fresh from the river. Food is not the greatest, but it's good enough for the boat. Free range chicken. Oh, check. I'm stuck with this one. I need more. Beer Lao, Lang Sang. Cheers. Elephant beer. Million elephant. You get it now? What else haven't I tried? I've tried everything. Yeah. I'm gonna need that ice cup though. Alright. When in Laos, you gotta drink your beer Lao with ice. It's the only way to last full day. It actually tastes good too. Keeps you hydrated. It's refreshing. It turns into a light beer. How are we floating right now? The water's like knee deep. Crazy. You can go swimming. Look at that. This boat is very buoyant. Nam Sat.
No, Nam Sat.
Yeah.
You cannot see the fish there, but
Yeah, it's very clean water because it's always flowing. All this water, but a lot of people don't swim. So we're obviously left land. We departed already, and this lady just pulled up on our boat and literally attached to us, cooking. Ordered meatballs. Oh my God, more food. Look at that. Unbelievable. Hi, buddy. They're literally hooked on. Making us more papaya salads, looks like. Alright, let's try the meatball. I got it. Got myself a meatball. I don't know what kind of meat that is, but whatever. Oh, hot. There you go. Bye. Away they go. That was a cool job, not gonna lie. But you don't have to leave. You can stay here in your floaty hotel room and the food just comes to you. Where do you take a shit though? Where do you go to the washroom? Is it just a hole on the ground? Maybe. If you want to find out, you gotta stay there. It's only $50 a night. Look it up. Firefest in Laos. They ordered more papaya salad. I'm not sure why. Now I have to try it. I need to try what's the difference. Okay? Oh, sour. Nah, I like that one better. Salty, goddamn. I need to chill on the salt. We are officially turning around. This marks the 1 hour mark. I would recommend only doing an hour because this is way too long. You know, the first 20 minutes after you have your meal, a few drinks, I'm good to go. I don't need to stay here that much longer. I mean, it'll be fun if we drank more, but no one's really drinking that hard. All the other boats look like they're having a great time. It's just us. Holy, look at this. That looks nice. What a view. Let's go upstairs. All right, now we're upstairs and you guys can hear me. I'm gonna turn off noise canceling. Beep. Look how beautiful this looks. These resorts have AC. The only thing is we looked up the review, it said it had cockroaches, but it looks so nice from the outside. I like how there's those railings on the side so you can go for a swim if you like, but honestly, I can't imagine anybody swimming in this. Current's just running way too fast. There's no diving. This is like waist deep. I'm surprised that the whole boat can even float right now. Boat float. But yeah, I'd highly recommend if you're coming to Muang Fuang, at least stay in one of these resorts by the water. We're not doing that. I don't know why, but they said there's no room, but there's an abundance of resorts. There's got to be empty ones. But yeah, this is a great experience. On the boat ride, yeah, I would only stay for an hour. I wouldn't do more than an hour of this. How do you do it? So every village has their own song, and they just requested Salawan, Lam Salawan. That's like where my mom's from. So everybody's, I guess these guys are from there too because it's a banger. Check it out.
This is a banger.
All the way back. Yok. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah, I'll eat. Hey, yeah. Yok mai. Too much fun. That's a non-drinking boat. All right, we just finished our boat tour. Yeah. That was fun. 2 hours. Definitely worth a try. You know, got to give it to the old folks. They picked a good excursion.
We're done.
Finished. Yeah.
Vang Vieng next.
Vang Vieng next.
Oh, it's me's gone.
Only sticky rice left.
That's it.
All the beer's gone.
Yep. Gone.
This is what one of the rooms looks like. Yeah, it looks nice, eh? AC too? Oh, wow, yeah.
AC. You guys try this in
I'm gonna try it in 2 years.
yeah. Go to the new one. Go to the new one.
When they have washroom, everything.
Yeah.
Wash your head.
Wash your head.
And that's a wrap on our dining boat adventure in Muang Fuang. But trust me, it only gets crazier from here. Next, we're checking out a hidden temple my mom found on YouTube where the women do all the work. Then we stumble across a beautiful rafting resort just to take Facebook photos, of course. Suffer through a dinner that's absolutely destroyed our stomachs, and finally make our way to Vang Vieng. With one stop at a tourist attraction so empty, we had the entire place to ourselves. Don't miss the next episode.